Hey guys, this is Fergie again. So I would just like to give you guys tips on how to preserve your fruitcake that would last you for like a month or more, how you choose to, either by storing in your refrigerator or on your countertop. So come on in my kitchen and come and let me show you how to preserve your wonderful fruitcake, especially the one that I baked, right? Here's a cheesecloth. I'm gonna pour some wine on the cheesecloth and some whiskey. Put your cake on it, spray the top. Guys, if you don't have toothpicks, just use a fork, punch some holes. And every 2 days, you can store this in your refrigerator, or you can store it on your countertop. And every 2 days, you take it out and you spray the cheesecloth. Just make it nice and tight. So guys, every 2 days, you can take it out and just spray the sides. Spray it. So guys, after you're finished wrapping and spraying, spray so you can have the cheesecloth very moist and to keep the moist in the cake. So the wine and the rum soaks right through. And then you wrap it in a foil. After wrapping it in a foil, you can put it in a Ziploc bag, as I told you before. Container, or if you're keeping it out every 2 days, keep it in something light, like really tight, and every 2 days you opened it and you spray it. So this is how you store your fruit cake. Okay, this is how you preserve your fruit cake so it can last longer. And as you know, I use the breadcrumbs in it, and the bread helps to keep the moist in when you spray it with your rum and your wine. So there you have it. This is how you store your fruit cake. I hope you guys enjoy. Happy holidays, and I'll see you guys next year.